Hey everybody, this is J Mac back at you with another informational video. We are gonna make the best water. It's healthy, it's easy, it's refreshing, and it's summertime. Where I live is 110 degrees. So let's get it. Let's go. So we got a cucumber, lime, and an orange. So basically, you're just slicing the lemon, and I like to roll it first, just to make it softer. And you don't have to make very thick slices of the lemon. That's all we're doing, slicing it up. Slice it. See? About that thin. Be careful not to cut your fingers. I should have on a finger blade for cutting, but I don't have time to go find out where it is. And the finger blade just goes on your finger, so like when you cut, you won't necessarily cut yourself. The metal would stop you from getting cut. Okay, there you go. It's the lemon. This is the orange. And sometimes the lemon could be overpowering. And I personally prefer a little bit more orange. And then I cut the orange in half. See, like that. Put them in. And when the water gets cold, it is so good. It is super good. But most of all, it's very refreshing for the summer. The lemon helps detoxify your body. And I know everybody knows about drinking lemon water in the morning. Supposed to be healthy. Drink 8 ounces of lemon water every morning to detoxify your body. There you go. This is the cucumber. Now, sometimes I peel this off just for color. Yeah. They're my colorful. So usually what I do is I just, take a few off like that. Okay. Yeah, and we're slicing. See these? That's how big the slices are. Not very big. Mind you, we're putting them directly in to the pitcher. The water goes in last. You are not adding any sugar to this. This is just straight. And I have a little garden outside with some mint. I haven't watered it in a few days, so hopefully it's still good and bugs didn't eat up. I have lemon balm outside. I have bell peppers, grapevine, rosemary. Yeah, I gave my tomato tree to my friend Vanessa so she could grow some good tomatoes, and she's been doing good with it so far. Because the tomatoes, I don't eat a whole lot of tomatoes, but the fact that I would have to go outside in the back every day, which I can't because I don't have time. I'm usually running late or fast, or with my job, emergencies happen a lot. So I forget to water the tomatoes, so that's why, I gave it to her. But anyway, all these scraps we're just gonna put in the trash. We're gonna put some water in here, and we'll be right back. Okay, so this is the water. You smell it. You can smell the cucumbers. You can smell the lemons. Put the top on. Now the thing is, it takes a while to fuse. I do shake it to get them flavors mixing. Get them mixed up really quick. And then I usually smell it. Yeah, it smells good. Now, if you wanted to, you could add turmeric or ginger to this and take it to the next level. But I don't have any ginger or turmeric. So if I go to the store tomorrow and purchase either of it, I will just add it to the water. But anyway, delightful summer water filled with nutrients and good for you. This is J Mac. Have a blessed day.